everybody, it's Cinnamon Cooney, your art Sherpa, and this promotion, this preview is about this painting right here, which was done with last week's leftover paint that I have on the palette. So the colors that we had used for the romantic couple, there was a lot left, and I get asked a lot, what do I do with my leftover paint? And I think an abstract floral, where you go find a gorgeous floral picture online and do a very loose abstraction of it, is a great way to use up leftover paint. It's an 8x8 canvas, same colors as last week: Docks, purple, cad red, quinacridone magenta, Naples yellow light, burnt sienna, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, cad yellow. I didn't actually use any of the Mars black, but it was here, and titanium white. And with that, in a very short amount of time, all stepped, John helped me step it, we did this painting. So this is something you could paint for yourself at home. It's very beginner friendly. These are simple shapes and strokes, and it can help you get kind of like a little more relaxed into your flowers. We're going to break down abstracts. We use the same tools as last week. So the 3/4 inch angle, the 1/2 inch angle, a monogram liner, a number 4 round was all we used. 8x8 canvas. Do you have anything that you took away from doing this leftover paint on this and just grabbing an image and painting it free? Nothing?
I like the flowers.
So he's a sparkling conversationalist in this upcoming video.
This was one where I liked that middle flower a lot, and the kind of mushroom thing in the back.
It's still Proteus. They're all Proteus, but it's abstract, so he's allowed to say mushroom thing. And abstract is about not being so objective that it just takes you over. This should feel like a floral.
I don't know what a Proteus is.
Oh, it's really. Oh, I'm gonna get some. You're gonna love it.
I know what it is when I look at that, but I didn't know that that's what that was.
Oh, okay. You didn't know that's what we were doing?
No, I didn't know.
I sprung some Proteus on him. So there you go. That's what this lesson's going to be about. If you want to see the full class and find out how you can do this technique, hit the remind button on this preview video. There isn't a giveaway on this one, but do still come by because I just forgot to do one.
Leave a comment for me.
Leave a comment for me anyways, because I so appreciate to hear from you.
Yeah.
And hit that remind button, hit the subscribe if you're like, yeah, I'd like to learn how to do beginner abstract painting with leftover paint. That seems like a great idea. You show me that. Yes, I'm going to show you that step by step, every technique, everything you need to know to be able to create this for yourself at home. All right. I want to see you at this lesson really soon. Okay. Hit the remind button and I'll see you soon.